okay. It's still stiff. Yeah. The rest of my life.
Now, what setting do you have that on, Lisa?
This one is set at 390. That's what I'd recommend.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Wow.
You would definitely have to section this off.
Yeah.
God, it feels good to be in the salon.
That thing's nice.
Are you done goofing off at home now?
All I've been doing is laying around and resting, get my arm feeling better. Well, it doesn't hurt to hold this. That's a good thing.
Oh, I just remember. I didn't even think. I'm forgetting about just having surgery.
How does the weight feel? Yeah, because you just had shoulder surgery.
The weight's
right?
not bad.
Yeah.
I can't believe how well.
You just got to follow your wave. You see this?
Yeah.
That guy was holding the hair and just lifting it. All you have to do is follow the wave, you see?
Mm-hmm. Well, we'll replace his video with yours.
Follow the wave.
Because this actually looks better than what he showed.
Yeah, I would keep it on a higher heat.
Good. Looks better than...
You got to keep going.
Looks better than my hair right now.
Yeah, but just imagine trying to take a regular curling iron.
It looks like a spiral perm. Don't fry my hair extensions off.
She did a
wow.
wide bunch at once.
What if you did it here and then pulled it, just slowly pull it through?
Oh my gosh.
Instead of open and close, just slowly pull it through. See what
I look like a poodle. We love that.
You look like the lion on the Wizard of Oz.
Well, fix this side. We gotta get some more.
My gosh, that didn't take long, did it?
No, not at all. It's
Well,
very
you would have
fast.
to section the back, start from the bottom up. If you do the back.
Ow, 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 ow,
Oh,
ow.
I'm sorry.
Don't get that on camera. Just burnt my whole skin off my head.
Hey, we're an unedited video channel. We're going to show all the good and the bad.
She's my boss, so I'll let her burn my skin off. It's all right. She gives good Christmas bonuses.
Well, the rest of you is still gorgeous, so a little burn won't hurt.
That's right. That's right.
So you want to take a picture of that? Video of that?
Hey, Mandy, it'll just give you an excuse to get something else done.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Yeah, I don't need no excuse. I'll just get it done.
I grabbed your fake hair.
Don't be telling the real world this is on my hair. I bought it. Ow, Lisa.
I'm sorry, but what I suggest is push this down right here, Rich.
Uh-huh.
Hold the little lever here so you get a better crimp.
Okay. Is that hot? Is that hot to the touch on the end, or is that pretty cool?
No, it's not hot at all.
You just don't want to touch
Just
that
on
barrel.
my scalp.
Just on her scalp.
I could probably even turn the temperature down.
No, because if you do, you could put a protectant on it, and then do it.
Yeah, that's what we
I
should
got
have
a
done.
wig on.
Did you try slowly pulling it through like that?
Here, do this side.
Try slowly pulling it through, see what happens. Just see what happens.
It'll straighten it.
No, should have put a wait a minute.
No.
And this'll stay like this till tomorrow.
Or you're gonna have to get somebody to finish it. Ooh, you see those?
What?
Those are your extensions.
What? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
Nothing. I'm just showing off your extensions.
They're not mine. She bought them. I'm just the
You
middleman.
got that on video, go ahead and tell who does the extensions how good they look.
Nah.
Why would you tell a bunch of hairdresser?
You don't give me no discount.
I think this.
This is for hairdressers only.
I think that's what she was insinuating. It wasn't that good of a job, so she pointed it out.
I didn't say that. Lisa said that.
I heard it.
You don't want to do my hair anyways. You're making excuses. You're trying to boot me out of there. I didn't even say that. Lisa said it. Lisa, don't get my hair extension guy. I did not. Oh, wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
just hop with the iron. You hop on and down. Ta-da.
Look how it does like all the, okay, Lisa, keep going.
I can't. I gotta go. I have a doctor's appointment at 5. Let me put my phone here. Yeah, let's.
Yeah, Cynthia, come help me. I can't be left half like looking like this all day.
I don't want to be filmed.
Just don't film her face. This product, or I'm sorry, this what is this? Iron is worth every penny.
Why?
Because it doesn't take any time to do it, and it's just very effortless.
She did all that in just a few minutes, right?
Yes, yes. And the other ones that I've bought, they take a lot longer, and they have to sit on the hair for a lot longer.
Which in turn damages the hair.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Never look good like that.
I look like I legit got a perm.
It's incredible what it did.
You should have did a before and after.
Well, I did get the before.
Yeah, but you keep pulling on it, it's going to get big and frizzy. So leave it alone.
Well, he wants you to see you touch it with your hand in the video.
Oh, okay. You go, girl.
Don't you watch these Pantene Pro V commercials?
All right, come on over here in the light.
So it separates without you putting your hands
I'm
in
not putting my hands through it. I'm just lifting it up at the bottom.
Now, tell me what you like about that new waver.
I like that it was fast and you didn't have to hold it in one place for too long, and it made my actual color stand out a lot more vibrant and shiny too, I feel like. And the good thing about this, you can go home, go to sleep with it, and the next day whenever you wake up, it'll still be this curly. The more you kind of lay on it, the better it's gonna look. So I've used a lot of tools before, but this one's.
So we didn't brush it out at all. So this
No,
is just what the iron did before brushing it out.
And this is with no product in it. This has no product, no hairspray, no dry texture.
No heat protector that
No
we
heat
should have
protector.
used.
And this is with mob hair extensions also mixed in with my hair.
Omni Hair Salon.
That's not your hair?
No!
All right. Thank you, Mandy.
10 out of 10 recommend.